Good morning. My name is JoAnne Woodard. I am the founder and executive director of the Sallie B School for the Arts and Education in Wilson, North Carolina for the past 17 years. I am happy to give a reference and a recommendation for the law offices of Rajiv Khanna. We have been working with him for the past 3 years, and the work that he has done for us has been excellent. In the past, we have a large number of immigrant teachers here at Sallie B the entire time we've been in operation. Large numbers. And we have used various attorneys over the years. Some good, some not so good, some very knowledgeable, some not so very knowledgeable. And that resulted in complications and problems from time to time, though we were able to get through those. One of our staff members brought Rajiv's business to our attention. He actually had done some research and found a great record, well regarded, highly regarded in the industry and that kind of thing. A consultant sometimes for the government, and just really a great resume for the office. And so even though he was in Washington, D.C. and we were in North Carolina, we took the trip up there to meet with him and to discuss what the service would be for us. What we typically do are H-1B visas and green card petitions. And so we started out with him and found his service to be well beyond our expectations. And more than that, for me, I found him to be just stunningly brilliant when it comes to immigration laws and processes. We have had over time some pretty difficult cases that the teacher had given up on, and we had all said, wow, this is a shot in the dark to see if we can clean this part up or clear this up and get things resolved. But Rajiv's folks were very confident. They always tell you exactly what you can expect. They don't promise something they can't deliver, and they've been able to help us in every single case for the past 3 years. So I highly recommend his company. They are people of integrity. They tell you exactly what to expect, and we are well pleased with their service. There are several characteristics of the service that we get from this company that I want to point out. One is that the timeliness and the responsiveness to our applications and to the conversations. If we have to consult, then they get right back to us. But more than that, the meticulousness in which they do their work. Everything is checked and double-checked, and nothing is submitted with errors and mistakes, as we have experienced that many times in the past with other attorneys. I don't know if they're not as careful as they need to be sometimes, or what happens. But in the case of Rajiv's team, they check and double-check. They're careful. I don't think we've ever had an application to be returned or denied because of some error, even a telephone number. Everything is exactly the way it's supposed to be, and that means everything in this particular business when you're working with the federal government.